Good morning everybody and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're gonna make a blueberry lemon rum cobbler. So let's get started. While preheating my oven to 350, I use the chance to melt 1 stick of unsalted butter in it. Alright, the butter has melted. And now we add 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a little bit of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of rum, a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract, mix it together, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Alright, and now the blueberries. I use frozen ones and I've coated them lightly in flour. These are 2.5 cups of blueberries. And mix them in. Alright, and now we bake our cobbler for about 40 minutes. Alright, the cobbler is done and I will let it cool down for just a moment. Alright, the cobbler has cooled down for some minutes. Now I use a sharp knife to loosen the edges. And I'm going to make 4 pieces. Oh, this smells so good. So now I hope I get it out without breaking it. Here it is, and I can tell you, it looks and smells amazing. And I like to add just a little bit of powdered sugar. Alright, let's give it a try. This is really good. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you would, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!